Are there any fans of non-human here? Hey, are there any fans of Lucky Clover? It is even three-dimensional and floating. So the brand new colorway of the OPPO Reno 16 and the non-human limited gift box are here. Before the video starts, I want to say that OPPO is really serious about their collaborations. First, look at the new Reno 16 colorway. It is called Lucky Clover. Hey, look at the packaging box. It has a three-dimensional effect. Do you see it? Take this chance to make a silkscreen. It's so green. This color is really quite summery. Oh, the back panel also features that 3D floating ice clear craftsmanship. Look at this clover. It's 3D. Do you see it? Wow. This is so unique. I know what this clover represents. It stands for luck, and green represents hope. Holding luck and hope in my hand. That's a great meaning. The Reno 16 series narrow bezels are as exquisite as ever, right? Alright. Next we get to the main event, the non-human collaboration gift box. Let me test you all on the characters on it. I've done my homework. This is the lead, Owly, right? This is Xiaoyu, the Jade Rabbit, ruler of the Moon Palace, over 100 million years old, and a toy company boss. This is Neja, the incarnation of a lotus and lotus root, over 3,000 years old, but looks like a primary schooler. In the middle is Zhu Yue, the heroine, a white nine-tailed fox, over 200 years old. This is Dasha Mile, a corporate executive and the ultimate socialite of the three realms. And of course, our main character, the Reno 16. Alright, let's open the package. The non-human limited edition gift box. This feels like stickers. Wow, the texture is so good. I think these can be used not just as stickers, but you can stick them onto the back of the phone. Just stick them on the back and hey, they look great. All sorts of them. Wow, these are so well made. Wait a second, you can actually do this. You can also stick them on here, right? Or on the back of the phone. This is very practical. It really suits its target users. And this second layer, this should be an acrylic character standee. I know this, it's a phone case. Now we're in my area of expertise. This is a magnetic phone stand, right? Wow, this case is great, it's high transparency. And look, it has all sorts of elements from non-human. And not only that, it matches the phone case's color scheme perfectly, see? It's huge, and look, the side protection is also very well made. Wow, this phone case really deserves a high score. Let's test their magnetic attachment. Actually, I can also attach small items to it, since you can use the rear camera for selfies. It can be used like this, or as a stand. Hey, you can even shake things inside. Why is it that OPPO always makes these things look so good? What is this? For those changing themes, we'll show that off in a bit. Alright, moving on. It's not over yet. My goodness, the last time I felt this way, unboxing something was, well, it was also OPPO. Oh, I know this one. It needs to be assembled. You just snap these pieces right in. We'll take a look at the finished product in a moment. Is there more?
There's more. Seriously, man, what is this now?
It's a board. Oh, I know this. This must be for hanging the phone. A phone lanyard. Next, we start assembling. Hold on, everyone. I've basically got everything out. Let me figure this out. Friends, I've got it figured out. First, let's put this together. The character standee. I have to say, OPPO really made this very exquisite. And they have a clever little touch. It's even, I think it's very unique. That I'll take one piece off to show you. On the surface, it looks like a mirror. Let me take out my Reno 16, turn on the flash, and see the master. Oh, who is this below? Who is this Neja below? And who is this above? This one on top is Xiaoyu. Oh, this is fun. There is another card. Let me show you all. Same thing. It looks like a mirror on the surface. And when you shine a light, you can see Zhu Yu. Shine it like this and you can see Aioli. This has quite a few uses. So you can do this or you can take it apart and use it as a photo frame. Put your photo behind it, right? And there are quite a few of these. So you can swap them around however you like. Oh my, OPPO is so detail-oriented. They also included some extra accessories for that lanyard. Look, wow, so cute. This is really well made and you can attach it to your phone and wear it. It's like, well, you could call it a fashion accessory. Finally, we need to redeem the theme because you can usually tell how much effort went into a collaboration by looking at the theme. Now I've finished changing the theme. As you can see, the home screen, icons, and wallpaper have been deeply customized. Pulling down, the control center is also customized. Let's tap settings. Oh, the entire system UI has been deeply customized as well. The main characters are at the bottom. See, if I guessed correctly, this lock screen, you can tap to switch characters. So good. Wow, this is really well made. Wait a second. Look, there's another thing when unlocking. What does this mean? Oh, it has a special animation. I have to say, it's really well done. You have to realize this is just a new color. And when paired with the Ferenzi collaboration gift box, it feels great. Looking at this Clover colorway on its own, it's still very unique. I just thought of something fun. We know the Reno 16's live photo feature is amazing. And this year, they added a dedicated pop camera. You could say this is basically another form of master mode. Hey, let's use this to shoot the Ferenzi standee we just assembled. Wait, I really like this. Snap press it, come on. We don't need post-production, just look at the phone screen. Wow, doesn't this look like an ad shot directly on the phone? And this one, doesn't it look like a Polaroid? Oh, look at this one too. And notice everyone, hey, it actually moves. Let me ask it a question. Oh, why do you think? OPPO released a brand new color for the Reno 16. And why release this limited edition gift box? It is simple, because it sells well. So why does it sell well? Even simpler, because for its target audience, this is a good-looking, easy-to-use phone that takes great photos. Well, wouldn't you agree?